Is collecting a lot of information right now on a storm that's headed our way.
That storm's going to start moving in here tomorrow night, but more so Thursday morning. And it looks like it's going to be a significant storm in the sense that we're going to be seeing some valley rain and mountain snow, folks. And I'm hoping that we get several inches of brand new snow on top of those ski resorts because it looks an awful lot like spring skiing up in those mountains right now. That was a live shot from the top of Sun Valley Bowls View. Very dry conditions right now, but gradually the atmosphere is going to start to moisten up out here just to the west of us as this storm comes on shore. And so far today, the high temperature has managed to get up to 60 degrees. There's the average of 45, but there is the record, 62 degrees set back in 1898, so 2 more degrees, and we tied the record for this date. That is a possibility. Here's our storm system as we can see it on the satellite imagery right now. You can see this little area of high pressure right here to the south. These are just high, thin clouds. This is what we're waiting for. And with this storm, there's a lot of subtropical moisture that's streaming in ahead of that area of low pressure. Now, the low itself is going to start moving into the gem state by tomorrow night and early Thursday. This is primarily going to be a valley rainmaker with snow expected up in the mountains. But the combination of the rain with the warm temperatures that we have seen has the folks in the state hydrology department a little bit concerned about the excessive runoff, and then on top of that you get rain, which could cause some nuisance flooding in some low-lying areas. We don't expect rivers to spill over their banks or anything like that, but just do anticipate that the rivers are going to be getting a little swifter here in the days to come. So here's the computer models through the day tomorrow. We get increasing clouds, maybe a few mountain showers. There's the core of the storm, and the timing on that right there looks like a nice sharp cold front moving into the area during the early morning hours on Thursday, generating the valley rain and the mountain snows. And then once that wave moves on through, just a scattering of showers here and there Thursday afternoon. So my 7-day forecast then for the Treasure Valley, I'm going to say, you know what, we'll see just a little mix of sun and clouds in the morning. Otherwise, look for increasing clouds tomorrow afternoon. Then on Thursday, we'll see the showers. They will be likely, especially in the morning. On Friday, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies. Saturday, partly cloudy. Look at that weekend. Look at those temperature readings. Highs in the mid-50s, and then next week we go into the upper 50s. El Nino is really living up to its reputation of making us warmer than normal during the winter season. The mountains are going to be seeing increasing clouds with some showers late tomorrow, probably a little rain-snow mix depending on elevation. And then snow is expected for the mountains on Thursday. And on Friday, we'll still see just a few little hit and miss showers, especially later in the day as a second little weak disturbance kind of rapidly moves in from the northwest. But it clears out of here in time for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday looks like a sunny to partly cloudy weekend for the mountains as well. So it's going to be a nice weekend. It's going to be a very valuable storm. But the concern is that the temperatures are getting so warm, we're starting to melt snow. And we get snow melt with rain on top of that. Could be an issue, something we'll be watching.
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
You bet.